And professionals fighting drug addiction are up in arms over a new painkiller that could hit shelves very soon and quite possibly live up to its title, Painkiller. News Channel 5's Stephanie Ramirez joins us now with the story. And Steph, what drug are we talking about?
Well, Chris, the drug is called Zohydro, and it was created to help those people with chronic pain. The issue is it's supposed to be 10 times stronger than what's already considered very dangerous drugs already on the market. And those professionals in the area fighting against drug addiction say we just don't need it.
It is going to hit our field especially hard in terms of addiction because addicts will move towards the more powerful drug, and this drug is going to be 10 times more powerful than OxyContin.
A narcotic that Thomas Stuber tells us sold in a more pure form will have the potential to kill someone not used to taking this type of drug in just 2 capsules. Swallowing just 1 capsule could kill a child. And when you're an adjunct addiction counseling professor and the president of Lorain County Alcohol and Drug Abuse Services, Thomas Stuber tells us,
the first thought is how it's going to end up on the street.
Here we go again. With the OxyContin, when it came out, it was determined to be for chronic pain management, and so we didn't think anything of it.
Now, Elaine Jorga says the OxyContin opiate addiction is a worldwide epidemic, with groups reporting the United States, with about 5% of the world's population, is now consuming more than 84% of the world's entire OxyContin supply. Lorain County sees some of the highest heroin and opiate overdoses in the state. Here is where some say Zohydro could be the most lethal. Already, Stuber tells us,
2 years ago, in this county alone, there were enough prescription narcotics prescribed through physicians that would provide every man, woman, child, and baby with 80 doses in 1 year. I don't know how many babies and infants use it, and when you compound that, that's a lot of narcotics.
Now, a big issue, Chris, is doctors say with OxyContin, at least it was modified, so addicts cannot break the capsule to snort or sniff it, but that is not the case with Zohydro. And there are groups, hundreds of groups, or at least dozens of groups, fighting the FDA on the national level to get this approval revoked, that is, I'm sorry. But there are bills going through the state now to at least control how much of that amount is allowed inside your home, Chris.
All right, Stephanie Ramirez, thanks for that report. Now, some on-your-side reminders to keep you safe. When a doctor prescribes any medication, always ask if it is potentially addictive. If it's a painkiller, ask if you really need it or if Tylenol or Motrin would be better. And always keep prescription drugs in a place where children and pets cannot get to it.